Hi everybody, and welcome back to HEX Token channel. Now this is some bonus material today because Richard just released this basically preview of the new HEX website, and I think it looks pretty cool. And so let's get into it. Here's a couple of tweets that Richard had, just trying to give us a HEX preview view. That one link didn't work, so should it replace the one on the main site now? That was an hour ago, so it looks pretty cool. You guys hugged it to death, lol. So in other words, it's got lots of love in it, and there's some sneak previews there, some thumb ones there, and of course coming to lots of work done on the website. So nice there with their highest stakes. So it looks very cool. Certainly user friendly, like really good user interface, and really good, I think. And probably one of the best out there. Try this one, hexemulator.com. So we're going to check that out, and I'll leave the link in the video description. So let's get straight into it. This is currently HEX's website at the moment. So HEX stakes 40 interest, it's got all that sort of stuff there, all the key stuff, blockchain certificate deposit, high interest, no minimum, wallets, etc. So pretty cool. It's got what is HEX, which is the first question I guess where people start. Future of HEX vestings there, and HEX is special. It's pretty cool. So it's got all the key features here that people want to see. Basically how to get into it. Install MetaMask, buy ETH, etc. Buy some HEX and stake it at go.hex.com. So nice. Some HEX advertising course, pretty cool. Some key metrics about the size of HEX, market cap and stuff. And of course, social media charts and data. Very cool sites, useful sites, and this has been really good. And now it's about to get a refresh, and the refresh looks really stunning. So you can buy, you got this on the home page. You got all the links here, obviously down here. And if you've been through a lot of those, you would see if you go to the links page, you can see different links. This is the existing page. Remember, this is not the preview. We're going to have quickly just look at this just to get a refresher of what this actually looked like. There's the links, so you can see all the links and stuff like that. You've got the testimonials. So you can see the testimonials. We'll just wait for this to load. There's still on the existing hex.com site, which you can go to anytime. So pretty cool. It's got lots of cool people there that are giving sneak previews of their testimonials and stuff like that. So very cool. So you can see a lot of that stuff's there. You've got the downloads, developer resources, trading, video instructions, tech specs, how it works, and HEX scam rebuttals. So it's got stuff like that in there. And of course, now this is the new one. So let's get straight into it. So this is the new site, and I think it looks really stunning. Very inviting, and it's got hex.com. It's got the price at the top, which is pretty cool. See on the previous page, if we go to the home page, and you'll see the differences there just on the home page. Probably the first place you might want to go, and we'll wait for that to come up there. And so yeah, it's pretty how it works. Very cool. It's got all the similar details, just looks bigger, and just right in your face. I love that. That's right in your face. And of course you can interact with this, connect to your wallet straight away if you've got a wallet there. This demo site down the bottom here is the nexthex.com's website version, not intended for use in production, so just take that into account there. So very nice site. I love it. To lower gas fees, of course, Richard Hart is building a new Ethereum four-quarter pulse chain, and that's right at the top there when you get up there. So nice. Learn more on stake straight away. That's the key functions. The return of the future investing is here, so still got the similar setup. Calculate interest though straight away, and nice. I like that. And of course, it's got all the key metrics. Looking really. Oh, look at this beautiful chart. The purple as well. Love that. That chart looks fantastic. And it's got how to get started again, the steps, and stake it. Very nice. So some really cool UI, user UX experience stuff going on here. All the key what makes HEX special, HEX share price, inflation. So really nice setup here. Learn more. It's got the advertising, of course, but this time it's right in your face. I like that too. So that's pretty nice up there. It's got awesome community-made sites in there. Highest the stakes coming up. This is one of the images that Richard did. So it's got that video sitting there right there. Very cool. How HEX works. Let's just quickly, that's all on that page. So nice. So it's got all the stuff looking here, and you can see performance, all the different topics that you might want to look at, security, HEX is special, the virality, HEX is addictive, all that sort of good stuff. Return on investment, nice, and HEX rewards responsibility. So I love that. It's got just dealing with the scam issues that often has, tails it, despite how awesome it is. So it's got lots of different stuff around Ponzi schemes and pyramid schemes, how to respond to all that. Very cool. It's at a cult and things like that. I mean, it's quite hilarious, but it's got those sort of things in it, and lots of technical stuff around it, trading and losing private keys, wash training and stuff like that. So very informative site, and I love the HEX type of features to it as well. Edges on all the top things. Got nice FAQ there, and of course the links. Got testimonials as we saw before on their original website, so that's cool. So there's the previous one, and of course this is the new one. So we've got cool testimonies. I've got Kareem up there at the top there, and looking very nice. So lots of those in there, so that's pretty cool. And what else we got? We've got the calculator, so this is really useful. So you got the calculator here. I want to stake how much for how many days, estimate HEX price at maturity. Very cool. So you can scroll all that, gives you your stake amounts, your bonuses, your projected earnings. This is very useful, so really, really cool. Disclaimer, of course, is you have to have, if you had invested, it's got another calculator for that as well, so very cool. And that's really nice alternative calculators also. So some really nice stuff there. Security and links, we'll jump to the security, have a quick look at that since we're going to go through this whole thing. How to keep your stuff safe, do's and don'ts. So that's really important, especially during this bull market with so many scammers out there. Very important to take care. Front ends, there's really cool exchanges, matcher, limit orders, and swift slice. I think the layout's really brilliant. Charts, chart views, information, Telegram chats, non-English speaking groups, of course, bots, and Hexkin's YouTube channels. Don't see HEX token on there, but hey, we'll work on that. And other stuff as well is looking pretty cool as well. Some really good HEX streamers, which is really good.com. So HEX token is on hexstreamers.com if you want to get that real-time feed of all the YouTubers and stuff like that. So it's really nice to be put on there. And you got HEX toys and lots of other cool links there, so you can check that out. So that was the key links, and then we've got HEX versus Bitcoin. Yes, the mighty fight as HEX rises to the top. So HEX solves Bitcoin's fundamental problems. Got all that sort of stuff there. I think this website looks really good. So hats off to the developer, and very cool. You also got the contact details at the bottom on social media. So very nice. I hope you guys like the sneak preview that Richard's given. I really enjoyed it as well. And yeah, very cool. I'll leave all the links to hex.com and obviously the HEX emulator.com as well, so you can check it out. All right, hope you enjoyed that one. Feel free to subscribe, like and share, hit the bell, of course, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.